Hi friends, I am Ruben. In this video, we talk about the advanced order types in trading. Let's discuss. There are 5 advanced order types in trading. The number 1 is stop loss, the number 2 is cover order, and the number 3 is bracket order, and the number 4 is after market order. The number 5 is immediate or cancel order. Let's discuss briefly. The first one is stop loss. Stop loss means it is one of the stop loss types. It is other names called stop loss limit order. Yesterday video we have to discuss about the stop loss market. In this video we have to discuss the stop loss. Stop loss means it is a two price. One is trigger price and the other is limit price. For example, if you buy Reliance stock at 2000 and then you have to set your sell stop loss for that executed order, buy executed order. You have to set trigger price from that amount. Trigger price is greater than your limit price. Here 1980.10 is your trigger price and then your limit price is 1980. It means if the stock will reduce to 1980.10, your trigger will executed at the price of 1980. So it will executed at 1980 in the seller side. This way you have to execute the order of stop loss. The first step is you have to select the quantity and then you have to select the price. It means 2082 the current price in Reliance. You have to set 10 rupees. Your stop loss means you have to set the price 2072 your limit price, and then you have to in trigger price you have to select the 2072.10 because it is greater than your limit price, and then you have to select the stop loss and then you have to select the regular order and then you have to select the order and execute the stop loss. It will pending in the your order, pending in the order. When will the stock will come to that price point of trigger price, then it execute the order at the price of 2072. Now next one is cover order. Cover order means it is a combination of two orders, the buy price and stop loss. It means you have to set your price in market or limit. You have to set your price and then you have to set your stop loss. How much stop loss? If I stop loss 10 rupees means you have to stop loss it, and then it is safer than regular order. Regular order means you have to buy the share in regular order, not in cover order. You have to buy the share 100 quantity means you have to buy the 100 quantity and then you have to set your stop loss separately. But here you have to set your price as well as stop loss at the same time. So it is time saving for you, and then the broker will provide extra leverages for cover order compared to regular order. And the next one is the example. The example for cover order is if you select Reliance stock, you have to buy at 2000 and you have to set your stop loss at 1990 and then you have to execute the order at the same time. You have to set the price as well as stop loss and execute the order. And the next one is a stepwise. What are the steps in? You have to trade in platform like Zerodha, like that. You have to select the quantity and then you have to set your price and then you have to select the MAS order and then you have to select the limit or market order and then you have to select the cover order and then you have to set your stop loss. How much order? Here Reliance current price is 2082.10, so my price is 2082 at limit. You have to set your own price and then you have to set your stop loss. In stop loss trigger you have to set 2072. From the current price to stop loss is 10 points difference. So keep in mind, guys. And then you have to execute the order. That's it. And the next one is the bracket order. The bracket order is a combination of 3 orders. The first one is buy price. You have to set your buy price, and then your stop loss, and then your target price. This is advanced order type. Let's discuss an example. You have to pick the Reliance stock, and then you have to buy price. What is your buy price? You have to, here my buy price is 2000, and then your stop loss will 20 points from the buy price. It means 1980. But here you have to type only the 20 points, and then your target is 40 points from the buy price, and then you have to type the trailing stop loss equal to 5. This is advanced. I will discuss in the next video. And the next one is, here the steps of bracket order. Here I selected Reliance at the price of 2082.10. You have to select the quantity as well as your price, the 2082 in limit price I selected, and then you have to select the bracket order, and then you have to select the stop loss. How much your stop loss? Here 10 points from the buying price, and then your target was 20 points from the buying price, and then your trailing stop loss here 2. The trailing stop loss is advanced. We will discuss in next video. Don't worry friends, I will teach you. And the next one is after market order. After market order is one type of order. This order give chance for the busy peoples, those who have not actively attend the trading session. Then they can order the orders in the specific time for every segment. There are so many segments we already discussed. The first one is equity, commodity, currency, future and options. There are specific times. Let's discuss. Here there are the specific times for their segments. First one is equity. Equity you have to order after market order 3:45 p.m. to 8:57 a.m. for NSE stock exchange, and then for BSE means 3:45 p.m. to 8:59 a.m. and then for currency segment means here 3:45 p.m. to 8:59 a.m. For future and options means 3:45 p.m. to 9:10 a.m. For MCX, for commodity, multi-commodity exchange means for any time during the day. There is no specific time. You have to set any time. Here, if you are placed after market order, it will executed in the next day at 9 a.m. When will the trading will start for every segment? Then your order will listed in the stock exchange. And the next one is these are the steps for after market order. You have to select the quantity for the Reliance stocks, and you have to set your price, and then you have to set your MAS order or like that. You have to select the limit price. Here I selected limit price for 2082, and then you have to select your after market order, and then you have to select day and execute the order. And the next one is IOC, immediate or cancel order. Immediate or cancel order means it's one type of order. It is used to pick the particular price by the trader or investor for a short time. Let's see with example. Here I pick Reliance share. I want to buy at 2000. I select the price and how much quantity I want. 1000 quantity I want. If that price, there is only 2 sellers available in the market. Their buyers have 300 plus 100. one seller have 300 quantity and another seller have 100 quantity, totally 400 quantity. That 400 quantity will be executed. You bought. The remaining 700 quantity will cancel immediately by the system. So you only buy 400 quantity at your own price 2000. Then the remaining 700 will be cancelled by the system. This is called immediate or cancel. So these are all the 5 advanced order types. So if you have any doubts, please tell me in the comment box. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you friends.